Geography and geology is half geography and half geology. This course, especially with the amount of field trips that we get, I feel like that really caters for me. Like, I can see myself in the future. I want to be out, I want to be travelling and doing things like that.
A geography geology degree is really very multidisciplinary.
Nice to be part of the two schools, so the School of Geography and the School of Earth and Environment.
We have a large number of academic staff, which means they can cover a very wide range of disciplines.
Geology, it brings in kind of biology, chemistry and physics.
Obviously in geography, look at the relationship between the environment and the people and society.
All the lecturers and stuff, they have so much to say and they're so enthusiastic.
You're really learning from the experts in their field, some of which are world leading.
It's very interesting to know that, and good to know that they're doing this research and then projecting it to us.
Students that leave here are really at the cutting edge of research that's going on within the discipline of geography and geology. They go on a lot of field trips at level 1, 2 and 3.
First year I went to Malham, that was geography side. And then went to Ingleton for a one-day trip with geology. Then in the Easter, went to Pembroke. That was a bit longer, that was a week. Being able to actually see it in the field was so important, like that really helped, just like put it into perspective. In third year, I know there's a field trip to New Zealand and also the Alps. I'm going there at the end of this year as part of one of my modules, and I think that's going to be so interesting just to see what's going on, especially with global warming and everything, just to see the impact it's having.
These field trips are really designed to equip you with the skills that you'll need to carry out your own independent projects. We like to promote employability, group work, analysing data, producing reports. So these are transferable skills that you'll get throughout your degree. In level 2, you gain some career skills in terms of writing CVs and looking at ways you can promote yourself. You have the opportunity at Leeds to extend a 3-year degree to a 4-year degree by taking a year in industry, or you could choose to study abroad at a university.
I definitely want to do a year in industry. I feel like that could really help me and broaden my experience and maybe give me an idea of what I might want to do after I've finished university.
Students go on to a really wide range of jobs. They can obviously go into jobs that geologists can do, or they could go into jobs that geography students go into. They're really wide ranging. People might go into things such as finance, marketing, but the environmental sector obviously as a whole is an important employer for people with these sort of degrees.
When I actually came to the open days, you get that feeling, you know you really want to go. And the student ambassadors were so good, really welcoming. It just made me think, yeah, I could imagine myself here, definitely.
I enjoy teaching students by a variety of methods, not just in lectures, but in workshops, on field trips, in laboratory classes. I really enjoy seeing how students develop over their 3 years.
If you're interested in physical geography, you like being outside, like in the field, don't mind getting a bit muddy and wet, you should definitely do geography and geology. I feel like I've grown up a lot the past, 1.5 years, just from being at uni. I'm very used to being here, and yeah, it's so good. I really enjoy it.